morning mga Katimbol Vlogs! Welcome sa isa na namang Video Bus Vlog. Ngayong araw na to, August 15, 2024, here in Wellington, New Zealand. So, ang gagamitin daw nating bus ngayon ay si bus number 5703. At tara, hanapin natin sa bus Bay 18. So, happy birthday nga pala sa utol ko. Happy birthday, tol. Enjoy your day ngayon. Sana magastos mo yung binigay kong 30,000 sa'yo. Joke lang. 5703. Here we go. Yeah, this one is bearing plate number. Mamaya pala. Let's unplug it first. And i-on natin. This one is a hybrid. Yan. On natin. Let's try to masok. Come on, let's on natin ng bus. This one is bearing plate number NQD 104, which will expire on July 14, 2025. Boom, let's see. Ayan. Engage natin yung school signs, because we're doing a school run again today. Check na natin. Damage. Kapal pa yung gulong. And this one is minimal body damages. Yan. All good. And this one is good. Hindi ko na po. Yan, damage. Yeah. Adjusters are all good. Tires are all in good condition. So, yeah. All good. And sa loob until next video bus vlog, paalam.